beauties, welcome to my channel The Curvy Tales, and I am Dia Soni and I do post beauty and fashion related content on my channel. If you are interested then subscribe kar do yaar. Today I am doing tutorial for this smoky eyeliner look which I recently posted on my Instagram some time back. If you want my Instagram handle then this is right next to you. I love this look because this is something that goes so well with Indian wear, and it's something that going to suit every Indian skin tone, particularly any outfit. So let's go. I am going to do a little bit of skincare first, starting with the glycolic acid serum which is from L'Oreal Paris. I love using it before my makeup. This just calm my skin, hydrate it super well. So you can see just after apply the serum I have got a nice glow on my face, but because my skin gets dehydrated very easily, I am going to layer a moisturizer on top of it. If you have skin that loses moisturizer quickly, I would recommend you to use serum and a moisturizer, not just a moisturizer alone. So this is a nice moisturizer which is from Derma Co, and it just calm my skin, gives a lot of nourishment at dewy finish which I like. Now for the makeup I am going to try out some newly products which I recently bought. As it is a festive look, so of course the glowing skin has to be essential, and for that I am using the Mass Illuminating Primer that just melt into my skin and which will help in achieving the glowing skin underneath my makeup. And also this is the shade 01 Moon Glow. You can also mix it with your foundation for that beautiful dewy finish. Next I am going to use a concealer, and I am using this one. This is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is very good concealer and I am in the shade 130 medium. I am just going to use the concealer on all the darker areas of my face for better finish. This will give a beautiful finish to your base with the high coverage formula. It is very lightweight and has a smooth texture. I am using it on all over my face and blending it with the foundation brush. For the foundation, today I am using this e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. This is new product to me, but I think it works quite well. I am in the shade 210. This is oil free foundation. I thought formula wise it is nice product with medium coverage. For blending, firstly I am using the flat foundation brush and then I move on to the Damn Beauty blender for natural finish. Always remember guys, do not use it dry or wet. Just put it under the running water and then squeeze out the excess water and then only use it. Next I am going to work on my eyes, and I am using this Makeup Revolution Soph-x palette. I am only going to use these matte colors for this look, and traditionally I know we think shimmers and glitters are what works for festive season, but I wanted to show you with this look that even a matte look looks very festive and very elegant. I am patting the brown eyeshadow on all over my lid. I am really happy with the color intensity. You can see it is really pigmented, and then I am going to blend it on all over my eyelid. And when you are working with darker shades of eyeshadows, you have to be more particular about blending because you don't want any harsh line or anything. You want all the colors to be really smooth. That same matte brown eyeshadows go along with my lower lash line as well, and I am only going to take it about halfway in because in the inner half I am going to use that rusty orangey sort of a brown shade. Here I am using this Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. I am highly obsessed with this liner these days. It is my go-to product. It really dark and creamy, so you can do normal liner or you can do smoky like I am doing in this step. I really like this product. Now I wanted to make it a bit more smokier, so I am adding a little bit of liner. I am not adding a liner on the waterline like a kajal. I am actually adding it along the lower lash line, so it going to give you a lot of definition and depth to your eyes. Next I am using this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, which is also a very good product. It curls my lashes super well and give high volume effect to my lashes without any fake lashes. Now after wearing my eyelashes off camera, coming to the concealer here. This is the Mamaearth HD concealer. I recently bought this one, but I don't know why, but I don't like this product very much. I am using it in my eye area, around my lips, my nose and the T-zone area also. This concealer is super light for my skin tone, so that's why I'm using this as my highlighting concealer. So I think it goes well, but as for the quality of the product, I don't like it very much. Firstly, it is super light to my skin tone, and also the product quantity is very less. It blends smoothly, but I don't like the coverage of this concealer, because I think in this range we have more option like the Swiss Beauty one, which is very good concealer. For setting my face, I am using my favorite Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. I have a dry skin, so I normally don't use powder much, but this product is very good. I am using it on all over my face, especially on the T-zone area. Now for my eyebrows, I am using this e.l.f. Cosmetic Eyebrow Definer, which is very easy to use. Eyes are done. Now coming back to the face again. Firstly, I am taking the contour shade from this palette. This is very good palette for beginners. This is also a new product to me, but it's not so expensive. It price is just around 300 to 400 rupees, I guess. I am using it to contour. Feel it works quite well on my skin tone. Next, I am taking the pink shade for my blush, which is beautiful shade for Indian skin tone also, and pigmentation of this palette is also very good. Now to set everything, I am using this Makeup Revolution Dewy Finish Makeup Fixer. Next, I am using this beautiful highlighter, the Swiss Beauty one. This is sort of a golden tone highlighter shade, and I was not so impressed with this highlighter because it looks very chunky on the skin. Camera पे काफी okay लग रहा होगा, but in real life it doesn't look great. Next, for the lips, I am using these two shades of Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick. The first shade which I am applying is this 05 Red Sangria, and at the center of my lips I am using 26 Nude Latte. This has a nice beautiful pigmentation. It's creamy, it applies easily, it doesn't dry your lips. And that is the final look. I love this look. I haven't used too many products, and I feel this is something that can go with any outfit and for all complexion. I hope you like it as well. And this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in my next video.